LF666 drone operation tutorial. Remove products and accessories. Product configuration. Charging demonstration. Connect the battery. Connect power supply. The red light stays on during charging. Automatically turn off when fully charged. Preparation before flight. First, unfold the drone arm. Installing drone batteries. Place the drone horizontally. Long press the power button to turn on the drone. Turn on the remote control switch again. The remote control will automatically adjust the frequency of the drone. One-click calibration of gyroscope. Push up the left joystick to unlock the drone. Push up again to take off. One-click unlock of drone. One-click takeoff. Rise. Decline. Left rotation. Right rotation. Forward. Back off. Fly on the left side. Fly on the right side. Speed switch beeps to low gear. The beeping sound is in medium gear. Beep 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 3 times for high-speed gear. Electric camera adjustment. Press the obstacle avoidance button. Drone activates obstacle avoidance mode. Press the roll button and toggle the red joystick. Unmanned aerial vehicle capable of 360-degree rolling. Enable headless mode. The drone will reverse in the direction of the remote control. Exit headless mode. Press the fine-tuning button to enter fine-tuning. If the drone deviates to the left, it will turn to the right, move backward and forward. Exit fine-tuning mode. One-click landing. Replace the fan blade. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the fan blade screws and remove the fan blade. Pay attention to distinguishing between A and B labels. Install the corresponding fan blades onto it. Connect app. Scan the instruction manual QR code to download the app. After downloading, connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen. Simply click on your phone and start flying.